In this episode, we're decorating the coffee station. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am going to clean and decorate my coffee station for Valentine's Day. Now we've been here a couple of months now, but I really need to deep clean some of these items to get them shining like I prefer they would be. So if you are interested in seeing how all this comes out, you know what to do. Stick around.
Name a better duo. So why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. You think I care about money when I just helped you get ready for your interview. You think I like your body when I just got close that I knew it looked good on you. Who do you think you are? Baby, you're an asset. Cause if I'm rocking with you, you're as good as it gets. But you're so scared of real love. Cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. No, you don't have to try so hard. Let go of your pride. Baby, come let down your guard. Safe to come inside. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss.
Now that Be Mine sign, that came from the Dollar Tree. I got it last year, the year before last, I can't remember. The white mug with my initials on it, that was a gift from Designs, Events, and Decor by Aisha. Gave me that as a gift. Now the fake whipped cream on front, I ordered that off of Etsy. The copper containers, I've had those for a while. The one in the middle came from Amazon. And the little marshmallow-like picks, they came from Etsy, from the same lady who did the whipped cream topping. Over here I have the copper coffee rack, and it's holding my 2 heart china coffee cups that I ordered off of eBay. I had a set, but I wanted 2 more, so I went on the hunt. And then the cake plate, that came from the Target Dollar Spot. And then the top came off of a cheese tray that I have. And the treats inside, my husband ordered those from Kroger's. Now I already had the Mr. and Mr. Right and Mrs. Always Right. They stay there on the coffee stations. And then the marble tray came from Amazon. Now here is my Valentine coffee station. Yes, I have 2 coffee makers because when you make coffee, in this one, everything tastes like coffee. Tea, chocolate milk, everything tastes like coffee to me. So I got the Keurig where I only do tea and hot chocolate in. The coffee is mainly my husband's. So here's my coffee station. I am on the hunt for a sign that says, one that says tea and one that says cocoa, for me to put at the back alongside the coffee one. So I'm gonna have the coffee one moved over and then the other one's put, beside it. So it would be coffee, tea, and hot cocoa. On the hunt. So tell me what you think of my Valentine's coffee station. I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. And I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.